How to add a steps counter widget on your home screen for your S24 Ultra, and let's get started. To add the step counter widget, basically long press a blank area on your home screen like this here. You will see the widgets option, tap on that one time, and from here, just go down the list of all the widgets you have available. And you want to keep going down until you reach to the part with the health. And as you tap on that here, you'll see all these different widgets option. You'll see the one that says steps right there. As you select it one time, you'll press add, and it's going to appear in a random spot on your home screen. Okay, you can expand it when these little tabs are available here. And also, if you want, long press it again and place it to another part of your home screen if you want to do that. Okay. Now, another thing to note is if you come back again and long press it again, other than getting access to these little tabs right here, I don't know if you can see them, to make them wider here, you can go to settings right there when you tap on the settings itself, and you will see the black or white option here as you saw earlier, and then press save for that to save. Okay. Now, one thing to note, in order for this to actually work, make sure you actually did go into the Samsung Health app itself, get started, give it permission to the settings of your Samsung phone as well. And once here, or let's just say you have it here already, and you'll see this right here, you'll tap on the three dots here and you can set a target as to how many steps you want for today. Okay. And if you notice it's not counting, just make sure it's not on the pause state. Okay. So it says you're not going to be counted for the steps here. So if it says resume, that means it's in a pause mode. And if it's saying to pause it, that means it's not paused. And then you should see that it's counted again. Of course, everybody knows that little cheat there, that when you just simply just jiggle your phone, you're going to get some steps counting, and don't do that. Okay. But I'm just saying, all right, like and sub.